Introduce highlight features and quick overview of Campark Digital Otoscope with Earwax Remover Tool. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features are included. Campark Digital Otoscope does not require internet, phone, and app connection. Just connect the otoscope to the monitor to use. You neither worry about downloading apps occupying the space of your phone, nor Wi-Fi connection stability, easy to use. The 3.9 mm diameter lens of this otoscope is thin enough to reach deep of your ear canal up to the eardrum easily and comfortably. It is also equipped with 6 LED lights. You can adjust the brightness of the lights through the buttons on the screen to get clear image even in the dark place. Campark Otoscope is equipped with a 7-inch IPS color screen, which is 3 times clearer than a 4.5-inch screen. With a high-definition pixel camera resolution of 1280x720, you can obtain clearer images or video recording, which are ideal for tracking the infection or sending it to the doctor for guidance. The lens of the ear endoscope is rated with IP67. You can clean the lens with water or alcohol before or after using to avoid cross-infection. Campark Digital Otoscope can be used to check the ear canal, mouth, nose, throat, and more, which is suitable for adults, children, and pets. It is the ideal choice for health. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.